If you can get into the mind of most people right now, all they want is to be able to make money working from home. And 99% of those who ever tried to make money online started with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? How can you be an affiliate marketer and make a full-time income working from the comfort of your home? In this video, I'm going to tell you what affiliate marketing is and how it works. And most importantly, I'm going to give you a free guide that will walk you step by step through the process to create and grow a successful affiliate marketing business working from the comfort of your home. In case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's the process of earning commission promoting other people's products. It's as simple as you finding a product that you are passionate about and you reach out to the product owner and you ask to be a publisher or an affiliate for the product. And if you are approved, you will be able to promote the product. And the product owner will be paying you a percentage on every sale that you make. There are 4 parties involved when we talk about affiliate marketing system. We have the product owner, we have the affiliate, which we can also call the publisher, we have the network, and the customer. And before I go any further, let me clear this out of the way. When I was starting my journey to be an affiliate marketer, the first place where I hear about an opportunity to stay home and to start making money online is on social media. And if this is not your first time to hear about affiliate marketing, chances are you heard about it on social media. And the way it's laid out on social media tells people that affiliate marketing is easy. That if you know how to copy and paste, you can start making money online doing affiliate marketing. But let me tell you, you don't just copy and paste to make money online. It doesn't just take the ability to copy and paste to be a successful affiliate marketer. So what should you do if you want to start and grow a successful affiliate marketing business online? And once again, before I answer the question, I made a video last time and I talked about how to make money online without any investment, because I was receiving the question from so many people asking me to know how they can start making money online without investing a penny. In that video, I talked about a lot of things that you can do online to start making money without any investment, and you can find that video right here. Now, back to the question. If you have your hands on a product that you want to promote, I will tell you in a few seconds how to promote your affiliate product. But if you don't have a product to promote, or you are promoting a product that's not selling, people are not buying your product, make sure to check my #1 recommended program in the description of this video. That's out of the way. So if you want to be successful with your affiliate marketing business, here are the things that you have to be doing. First, start reviewing products in your niche. Second, collect emails. Third, use joint venture webinars to build your email list fast and to create new content. And talking about content, that's what's going to be your job. Successful affiliate marketers are content creators. And you can create content in form of a video like this one on YouTube, or in form of a blog post on a website. And in step number 4, if you start making money with your affiliate marketing business, use pay-per-click advertising to grow your business faster. And you can do this by advertising on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. And through this step of reviewing products in your niche, building email lists, using pay-per-click advertising to grow your business faster, there are 3 important tools that you need to be using in the process. First, you need an email autoresponder. I use Aweber and GetResponse. And second, you need a page or a funnel builder. And for that, I use ClickFunnels. That's the tool you are going to use to build your opt-in pages and collect your emails. And the email autoresponder I talked about earlier, you are going to use it to send automatic emails to your subscribers. And third, you need a website that's going to host your blog posts. For this third tool, I will be helping you today and give you access to a platform where you will create a website without needing to buy a domain name or pay for hosting. It will be free. I will leave the link in the description of this video. And also all the tools that I mentioned in this video, I will make sure to leave all the links in the description of this video to help you out. And because you are still here, I've written a new book that I want to give you for free. I will also leave the link in the description of this video and you can click on it and download that book for free. It's a step-by-step guide to take you from where you are right now to a business owner. This is how I want to help you today, and that will be all for this video. If you like it, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. My name is VK. I will see you in the next video.